Shit. Hey guys, welcome to a new video. It's a 2-for-1 tonight. I've already been to a World War II air raid, however it was a very rushed video because it was right next to an airfield. So when I actually ran in, took the video, took some pictures, ran back out, by that point there was personnel coming from the airfield to my motorbike. So at that point I just had to fuck off. So currently we're in Colbeck. I thought we'll film the intro to this video here now. I'm about 5 or 6 miles away from where it actually is, or where it should be. I'm not 100% sure. We will see if we find it. If this video makes it, then you know I found it. However, there's more than that. Basically with this one, it could be sealed for all I know. There's a very good chance it is. I've only ever came across one that hasn't been sealed, and that's the video that is currently on my YouTube. So if you stay with me today, we'll see if we get a 2-for-1. If not, I might not even upload the one. Seems to be a good time. Okay. There we go. Those farmers are right there. They can see me. Okay. I'm predicting this is sealed. They still follow me? Sealed, welded, locked. That doesn't sound good. Oh Christ, bloody cows. I need to get the fuck out of here, like, now. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Got out away from the cows on my way back. I apologise. We found it at least. That's the important thing. But it was sealed. I got a video through a crack in the side, so you can see the ladder. Shit. Okay. Right guys, we made it back now, so I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully it's shit we can actually get into, but until then, see you soon.